Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to grow their wealth year after year, while others just can't seem to get ahead, no matter how hard they work? Here's the secret. It's not just about how much you earn, but what you do with your money, and that's where investing comes in. If you're new to this world, don't worry, you're in exactly the right place. Welcome to the first episode of my How to Invest Money. It's a beginner series. If you want to finally make your money work for you, hit that subscribe button right now. This series is designed to take you step by step, from total beginner to confident investor, with zero jargon and real-world examples. So, why should you even care about investing? Let's get real. If you keep your money in a regular savings account, you're probably earning less than 1% interest a year. Meanwhile, global inflation in 2024 averaged over 5%. That means the money you work so hard for is actually losing value every year if it just sits in the bank. Let's make this super clear with a quick example. If you put $1,000 or $85,000 in a savings account, earning 1% a year, after 20 years you have about $1,220. But if you invested that same $1,000 in a simple S&P 500 index fund, which has averaged about 10% annual returns over the past 30 years, you'd have over $6,700. That's the power of investing. Your money works for you, not the other way around. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I don't have enough money to start. Or maybe, isn't investing risky? Or even, it all sounds way too complicated. Let's bust those myths right now. First, you don't need a lot of money to start. In 2025, you can open an investment account with as little as $10 or $500. Second, yes, all investing involves risk, but not investing at all is actually the biggest risk, because inflation will eat away at your savings. And third, it's only complicated if you try to do everything at once. That's why I've broken this series down into simple, manageable steps. I promise, by the end of this series, you'll know exactly where and how to start investing, and you'll have the confidence to take action. Before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm here every week with new tips and strategies to help you grow your wealth and confidence. Let's talk about what you will learn in this series. We're going to cover why investing matters and how to get started. That's today's video. How to set your financial goals and understand your personal risk profile to different types of investments: stocks, bonds, real estate, gold, crypto, and more. How to open your first investment account. No matter where you live, how to research and pick your first investments. How to build a diversified portfolio, even with a small amount of money. Common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. How to invest for the long term and let compounding work for you. Taxes, fees, and how to keep more of your returns. And finally, how to track, review, and grow your investments over time. If you're excited for this journey, comment ready below and let me know what you want to learn most about investing. Let's get practical. Here's what you can do right now to set yourself up for success. Step 1. Commit to learning. You've already started by watching this video, and that's a huge step. Step 2. Set aside a small amount of money, whatever you can afford. Even $10 or $500 is enough to begin. Step 3. Open a notebook or a digital note and title it My Investing Journey. You'll use this to track your learning and progress. Step 4. Write down your why. Why do you want to invest? Is it for financial freedom, retirement, travel, or something else? This will keep you motivated when things get tough. And here's a little motivation for you. Every successful investor started with a single step. The difference is, they kept going. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Part 2. Now, let's talk about what's coming up next, and how you can build a strong foundation for your investing journey. In the next video, we'll dive deep into setting your financial goals and understanding your personal risk profile. This is crucial, because investing isn't one size fits all. Your goals, your timeline, and your comfort with risk will shape the best investment strategy for you. We'll break down how to figure out what you're really investing for, how much risk you're comfortable with, and how to balance growth with safety. And I'll show you real-life examples so you can see exactly how to apply these ideas to your own life. But before we get there, I want you to take action today. Start your investing notebook, write down your why, and set aside that small amount of money even if it's just the price of a coffee. And if you have any questions or topics you want me to cover in this series, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback helps shape each episode. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to start investing too. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a part of this series. Here's to making your money work for you, not the other way around. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth step by step, year after year.